Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up repair report for Scott in Kentucky on this RCI-2970N4. Scott, got ready to go for you, bud. As you see, we have replaced your keypad. These nice pearly whites. Scott, this model here's got the 4 DEI transistors in it. We repaired it also. It had no dead key, very low output. Show you what we got here. Our power all the way down. 250 watt slug. About 15 watts. You wanted it at least to go down to 20. And about 80 watts all the way up. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. Low, right at 200 bird. Peak scale 500. Low, about 400 peak. Alright, Scott is ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com and truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.